Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long and I've missed you guys. If you don't know me, my name is Shallis and today we're here to talk about one of the biggest loves of my life, Glam Corner. If you don't know what Glam Corner is, they are an online designer dress hire service. So if you have a beautiful event or a wedding coming up and you don't know what to wear and you just want to hire something, these guys are your go-to. So you can hire dresses for like 4 days, 8 days, or you can do what I do, which is their Glam Corner premium. You can get their Glam Corner premium subscription service, which has literally changed my life. So every month you pay $99 and you get a box of 3 items to wear throughout the month of your choice. And guys, the choice is ridiculous. And you wear them for the month. You don't even have to clean them. You send them back and you go again for the next month. They give you the postage to send back. It's that easy and it's $99. And you can stop it at any time, which I think is great. You're not locked into anything. So you have complete flexibility. And now that I'm doing it, I kind of feel like, what did I do before Glam Corner? Like, I'm not joking. I love it that much. And when my new box is meant to be arriving, if I'm not at home and I know my husband is, I'm literally texting him, tell me when my Glam Corner box arrives. Like, it brings me so much joy. I think if you're someone that loves online shopping and just buying new items, you will love Glam Corner. It's so cool. It's like having access to this huge wardrobe. And well, it is, you have access to a huge wardrobe and you always have something cute to wear. You never go to your wardrobe and think, what am I gonna wear? It is so good.
One of my favorite things to do is choose my new box, and seriously, look at how many options are in the premium section. Like, it's endless, guys. Anything from like workwear, casual, beautiful little play suits, long dresses, floaty dresses. Like, it's seriously crazy how much is on here, but I tend to refine it because it can be overwhelming with choice, and I love to go for dresses. So go into style type and I choose dresses, and then I further refine it by putting in my size, like choose size 8 and then what's available now, so I can see what's literally available to add to my box that very second. And as soon as something catches my eye, look, I thought about that one, but I'm like, uh-oh, look at that, Camilla, I want you. So you just click on the size 8 and then add to box, and it's that easy, guys. Do that another 2 times and your new box will be with you in about 48 hours. So easy and so awesome.
So I can definitely admit that fast fashion used to be part of my lifestyle. I used to go to Zara or wherever, buy a couple of pieces, wear them only a few times, and then they just go to the back of my wardrobe, and I do the same thing every month. I do try and invest in beautiful pieces, and I do have beautiful design items in my wardrobe, but Glam Corner has seriously changed my life in terms of not being in that cycle of fast fashion. And I figured it out, guys. I've saved money because every month I would either buy something for an event, or I'd buy a few things for different events because I didn't want to wear something I've already worn, did I? And also for my job, guys, I'm on camera wearing, pieces, and once I've worn a dress on camera a couple of times, I don't want to keep wearing it. So I've been hiring things from Glam Corner to wear for my presenting, which has just been so good, and I feel so much more confident and sexy in new clothes. Like, I think we can all relate to that. Anyway, I've been rambling, so I wanted to show you what I got this month. So my box. My box arrived. But before I open this up with you and have a look at what I got for the month, I wanted to show you what I had last month. So before I filmed this video now, I just quickly took a few little shots of what I had in my box last month, so you get an idea of just the huge variety and the kind of quality that you get with Glam Corner, which is awesome. So let's look at what I wore last month, and then we'll come back to this little beauty.
Ah, how cute is this dress? Cameo Collective. Loving that big billowing sleeve. It's so flirty and fun, and I always love wearing white. White is such a fresh color. I think this is the perfect dress to wear like down with drinks with the girls, or even a date night. It's super fun, flirty, a little bit sexy. It's very short, but very cute. But this next dress, this is from Lover. This is my favorite. I had so many compliments when I wore this dress. The fit is unbelievable. Lover have nailed it. The color, I think it's perfect for like a wedding guest or even like a work function, being like that midi length, and kind of on the conservative but edgy side. Now this cutie is from Country Road. It's cotton, so it's light. The print reminds me of like the Hamptons. I feel like sitting down by the water somewhere, having a picnic or a date. It's so cute. And what I loved about this is that you can swap out the little belt that comes with it and wear like a statement belt with black boots. Well, that's what I did, and I loved this look. And the dress is so comfortable to wear, especially in the summer heat. It's not grabbing anywhere, it's light, it feels flirty and fun, and it's a full favorite for the month. I love Glam Corner, guys, seriously.
Oh my God, how cute was that lover dress? I literally, it comes in another color on Glam Corner. I think I'll be hiring that. So without further ado, let's get stuck into this. So this is my new box. It always arrives in like a day or maximum 2 days after I've placed my order. So it's so fast. Has this black little tissue paper covering it. And let's check out what I've got. This is the first time I'm looking at it, guys. So this just tells you about the future of fashion. And guys, seriously, this is the future of fashion. Glam Corner is the future of fashion. Did you know the average Australian buys 27 kilos of textiles each year and then discards 23 kilograms into landfills within 12 months of purchase? By renting your wardrobe, you're helping reduce fashion waste. Now, if that's not incentive, I don't know what is. Enjoy your box. Glam Corner, I will be enjoying my box. Thank you. I love you guys. You have no idea. Okay, so let's have a look. This is like a cute little two-piece set. It's from Tallulah. Tallulah is one of my favorite brands. This material is so luxe. I love this. I think this is going to be super, super cute. I get everything in a size 8. So we have that little number. I'm gonna wear these for you guys so you can get the full look. Then I was just feeling like, you know, red. I've always been told red is one of my colors. You know, everyone has a color. So I love this one. Again, it's from Tallulah. There's a bit of a Tallulah moment happening this month. It wasn't deliberate. I can just say that the fabrics with Tallulah, it's so beautifully made, and everything is always fresh, perfectly dry cleaned. Everything comes to you like it's brand new. The quality, guys, and the service. I don't think I've ever been more impressed with a company, and I'm not joking. Not joking. Oh, and this little cutie, who's this one by? Cooper Street. And do you know what's so funny? When I first started modeling, Cooper Street was one of the first brands that used me every month for their lookbooks. Like, I literally worked with Cooper Street. Craig Cooper owned it back then, and I literally worked for that guy. He's such a lovely guy, and his team, for a couple of years. So I got this for you guys. Anyway, let's go see what these babies look like on. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Glam Corner, you queens are my godsend. But go check out Glam Corner. I'm gonna pop them in the description. Trust me, you won't look back. You will absolutely love it. Bye.